Forex Made King here. So it's another day. So today is actually a different day. My cameraman, as you can see, I'm not holding nothing. I have my camera. In fact, I have my camera woman. That's my camera woman. Hey, so you'll get to see more of her in today's day. But regardless, this is what's important for the day. Today we're actually gonna be attending a car show, and I'm actually gonna take this car. As you can see, I just removed this. So the King FX Cartel company name was supposed to be here, but I just had some problems along the way. But as now we have this car, I'm still washing it, and I also get to prepare. Stay tuned for the video. Make sure if you like the video and you want to see more, you just say so in the comments below, and then I'll get to provide. But right now I'm gonna attend at the stadium. You just see everything is gonna be exciting. There'll be a lot of cars, so it's not merely about this car, but it's about the cars that are gonna be at the show. So stay tuned and actually get to see the cars that are gonna be there, because it's gonna be crazy. So stay tuned, watch the video, make sure, even if you wanna skip to that car part, you can skip, but you're just gonna enjoy it. I'll make sure it's entertaining. But if you're a car lover, you're gonna see what I have in tune. You're gonna see crazy cars with the best sound system, the stance cars, every car that is pimped out. This car is not really that pimped out. As I said, stay tuned for the videos that are gonna come. There will be works of the cars that will be on the vlog. There's just two cars, blue one and this one, and we're gonna work on it. So just stay tuned for the videos, and actually subscribe, man. Subscribe.
We touch, we break, make it seem like we feel the same. We love what we hate. We lie, but we know we can't water what doesn't grow. Give up, let it go.
So ready. On our way now. It's very hot. So we're on I've been quiet for the whole December because we're on a vacation. I just didn't want to post because when you're having fun or when everything is nice, you don't want to record, you just want to chill. Hey, copyright, let me. So when you're actually enjoying, you don't want to record, and then at the same time. Now we're going to the show, driving there, and we're kind of late. So I'll just record when I get there, because now I can't even record because I have to focus on driving. Stay tuned. Yeah. Let's see the go. Yeah. Alright.
Well, we fell apart just in time. You say at least it was worth the try. At least it was worth the try. At least it was worth the try. I drive from your place, miss your lips.
You ready to win?
Yes!
But I hate the taste, no fun in this game. I will call our bluff, 'cause using bodies isn't good enough. Slow down, this ain't love. Well, we fell apart just in time. Ooh, you say at least it was worth the try.
Some cars didn't sound like this one sound. I'm thinking this one is also sound. So this one is in the car of the day. But at the same time, I'm also looking into venture into sound, as you can see. If you check properly, But you had to win it, man. Somehow. Let's just stay tuned and watch. Baby, how do you feel? Which one are we taking?
Taking the show and shine.
Show and shine, eh? KFC, that's KFC, show and shine. If not show and shine, perhaps carve the day, eh?
Yeah.
So when I participate into show and shine and carve the day, although I wanted to participate also in best sound, but now when we see the competition is way too much. You can see this even so. We're just gonna do show and shine, right? And also carve the day. As for sound, there are people in that category. Next time, exactly. So as next time. In fact, the Tez, that one I'm gonna make sure. I just make sure the Tez is the one that is gonna have that sound that is needed. Like the car, you see this car next to. Actually missed this ball, but it's similar like that. But now we have
It's got to get hot and heavy. Oh, it's really late. You're getting close.
So okay, problem here, my phone is on 1%. That's why you can see the quality. The quality is different. Type C. The quality has changed because you can see. on the list. What you say? 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 Black and white. So the pipes are actually on the other side. Pipes are actually on the other side. Nice. So now we're doing show and shine, and look at the competition. So, okay, now we're doing show and shine. I make sure the car is clean inside and out, and then we're just gonna see what we get out of this. But yeah, man,
It is what it is.
it is what it is. It is what it is. As you can see, the competition is kind of tight. Yeah, I made sure the car is not clean inside, but outside we just tried. Hey, we tried, man. We tried.
Yeah, Koluma, baby.
Yeah, we tried. We tried. Man.
We're here to vlog, nothing else. To entertain you guys, nothing else.
Right. Say, mara daman ila.
Marva Kuluso.
Say, mara daman be. Lama tina. Forgive me for my vimp.
Check out what I said. How do?
You say at least it was worth a try. At least it was worth a try.
We do qualify. Musa exhaust today. Hi baby. I want a competition. Eh? I'm pulling at the boot, not the bonnet. Ah! Phone will switch. position is really tight, eh?
It's too much for the try. I drive from your place, miss your lips.
Now we have the OGs. So this is where Tez is supposed to be in the category for the OGs. Supposed to be in the category for OGs. Look at that. Look at this. Look at that. This is where the Sputu, the blue Tez are supposed to be. But these are the OGs, the real OGs. This is where the actual OG started. So Tez was after these ones, but at the end of the day, it's metal. In team is a and then this one is even worse because it takes it because it stands. Look at that. Drop. Thank you, Lana. Oh, clean. As you can see. This is the other OG. This is the clean OG. Top OG. Top OG. This one takes it. Sure, this one is gonna take it, but see, there's the OG there, we have the OG there. Clean. Look at this. It's clean. This one is very clean. This team, nice. This team. This guy takes it. These are OGs, so this is where the Tez was supposed to be participating in. It would have been packed here, but we have this one here, so it's just a matter of time to see what's going on. It's fine. So I have the defender over there. So it's late night. We're still here. You can listen to this sound. This sound goes so tired. Yeah, it's late at night, so they started the competition very late, but we're still here. As you can see, the cars are very deep. They deep inside. You can see it's packed. There was a start. See, go right. Yeah. I invite you to the phone. Okay, the one So this is the last section of the day, and then we're gonna be done. So this is the car of the day category. Listen to that. Look at these cars. RS3. Look at the XM. Man. Okay. So we have the XM. 4 million is just standing there. XM. this one. XM. So, 3M competition. RS3 that side. Nice. And we also have the M2. So these are the categories for the car of the day. Empower. Okay, so there were still cars of the day, and this one stole the show. So I couldn't. Okay, so I have a problem. The phone, the charger, and then we have an R8. I missed the sound. Like it's okay. As I was saying, I missed the car. The phone doesn't have storage anymore. Must buy a phone with a bigger storage. But as you can see, oh, craziest car. Oh. You heard it. So I'm charging the phone, there's no storage. See, now it's packed, it's filled. And the R8 was the car of the day. So without further ado, I'll make sure next time I'm more prepared, create more storage, just make sure that I'm more ready for such situations such as what I face today, regarding storage, regarding everything. But Madam is still young, and little sis is also young. We're tired, and the car is still making noise. That was the car of the day. Can't even go record it because the phone is on the charge, it's on 1%. What a life. But it's fine. Hey, 2025 we're gonna work it. We're gonna work, make the guap, make sure that yeah, we don't, you see all these machines that are parked here. Yeah, it's fine. As I was saying, good, okay. That's the end of the categories, that's the end of the car shows. The R8 was the everything, made sure it seals the show. It was a nice day. She's tired, she's also tired, I'm also tired. Right now we're just waiting for them to announce the winner. So I couldn't even participate in the car of the day because, as you can see, there was an M2, M4, R8 came last, there was an XM, Imagine, and then there was an RS. So those are the cars for the car of the day. I just came for the show and shine. So they're gonna announce the winners. After they announce the winners, I'm just gonna show that part and then I'm gonna cut the video. Hope you enjoy the vlog. Stay tuned for more videos coming. This was just top tier content. In fact, I didn't even come here to win. I came here for content. I've been telling her, but one thing I'll make sure of is that since me being a forex trader, next year, 2025, 2027, 2030, I won't taste it without being in the same position or just, you know, and I'm gonna manifest this and I'm gonna come back to this video and be like, yeah, okay, I said it. So you can see King FX Cartel, trade with the greatest. Stay tuned for more. I'll post the whole of 2025 and the King FX Cartel Academy. That was the